Jacob Sanders with ERA Buyers Realty right here on Smith Lake. And look, today we're going to be touring a home that is right next to Duncan Bridge, as you can see behind me. It's going to be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with over 2,600 square feet, over 400 feet of water frontage, and just one of the best spots to get to within 5 minutes of grocery shopping, within 10 minutes of all kinds of shopping that you need. Let's go take a look at this home because I think you're going to like it. Hey there, so today we're going to be looking at 187 County Road 3989 right here on Smith Lake. And look, this is right next to the Duncan Bridge condos. As you see to the right, you can't see because there's some trees are right there that you do have a little bit of a barrier from the condos, but you got the bridge there in the background, and you'll see it here in just a moment when we get there. So this home is currently listed at 1.25 million, so 1,250,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square feet, over 400 feet of water frontage. We're gonna go take a look at it. So, but before we get started, if you don't mind, if you would hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to continue to bring you Smith Lake home tours every week and just educate you as much as we can about Smith Lake homes and Smith Lake real estate as well. So get on there and do that, and we're going to get started here. So this is going to be the look from the roadside view. And it's pretty close to another house. The other house there sits out on that peninsula out there. So that's the driveway to it, but we're coming right here. There's my vehicle right there as well. But we do have a circular driveway coming in. And look, this is one of the most easily accessible homes on the entire lake. So very easy to get to right off the main road, which is what's called the Curry Highway, or Highway 257, that goes from Jasper to Curry, and it does cross Duncan Bridge right there. So let's go take a look at this home and see what we think. So as we come into the home, the first thing you're going to see are the beautiful hardwood floors as you walk in. So check that out right there. And these are going to be 8-foot ceilings in here, but they are going to open up to vaulted ceilings in the living area right there. So behind us right here is going to be just a closet, just a coat closet right there. And we got little closet right here that's really set up as a pantry that you can do right there. It's a pantry right there behind that door. And just take a look at the kitchen right here. Great kitchen. These are all solid surface countertops. Beautiful cabinets. All electric appliances right here. Just really pretty, very well done right here. Nice island right there. And one thing you do notice is from off this kitchen, and even in the living areas, you got the windows galore. So you got windows all across the home. So you'll be able to have lake views, a lot of natural light that comes in here, which I love. And so it's gonna really brighten that up in here. But I love the living area right here. So this is going to be just vaulted ceilings. The wood ceilings are going to be really nice, as you can see right there. And they've got the setup as a dining area. Obviously, you can fix this however you want to. There's no true dining room here, so this would be probably the ideal place right off the kitchen to have your dining room table set up as they have it right there. So look, I'm backing up and I'm gonna go to the left right here. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the left. So on this hall right here, we've got not really a true master bedroom, although the bathroom does connect in there, but it does also have access from the hall. So this is gonna be the main level bathroom, the only main level bathroom right here. It's a nice little sink and vanity. And just the shower tub enclosure right there. And this door behind here goes into the bedroom. So this is we do have some doors open there just so we can see it. It does have a nice size walk-in closet right there. And behind the door, what's behind door number 1? Well, this is a great bedroom right here. Just check out, that's a king size bed. Just extremely nice. Very good sized bedroom. And there is Smith Lake right outside the bedroom. Of course, the deck is right there, and we'll go out there in just a moment. And you can see, obviously, Duncan Bridge as well. It's a great setup. So, looking back, we've got through the bathroom there, the walk-in closet to our right, and this door is going to open up back here to the kitchen. So, to our left right here is going to be the downstairs, and we'll go see downstairs in just a moment. But we will go straight and finish what we have here. So on the main level here, we've got one bedroom and one full bath right here. I really like this kitchen. Just really pretty. So coming out right here into the living room right here, as you will see, obviously the big vaulted ceilings as we've seen as we come in, but there's a stairwell going to the upstairs, and we're going to go up there right now. And then before we go downstairs, we'll come take a look at this deck out here overlooking the lake. I'm going to head upstairs, and we've got a little bonus area right there that could be used. Obviously, they have a couple twin beds. Now, look, before I go any farther here, this home is used as a rental. So this is on the Airbnb program. You can do Airbnb, VRBO. You can do rentals here, and they've got it maximized for that space. So, so they've got two beds there. Obviously, that could be a place for a sofa and a TV. If you want a place to send the kids, they go up and entertain themselves, and this would be one of them. But look back down to the living area. Nice setup down there. Now coming over here to our right is going to be a bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. That is a queen bed that is set up in there right now. There is plenty of room to get a king if you want a king, or if you want to get another bedside table over there, you can. And it's kind of offset right over there, so spot for a dresser or a desk or whatever you want to put there. And your closet. And we've got a full bath that is up here on this level. Single vanity right there. Alrighty, and just another look downstairs. As you can see, so up here is on the upstairs part, one full bedroom and one full bath. Again, you'd have a bonus area if you have a large family or you want to use this as an Airbnb. Obviously, you can keep those beds there and put as many people as you want to there. So we're gonna go back downstairs, and then we're gonna go out to the deck. So this is one of the best parts of the lake right here. Or I'm sorry, this home and the lakes as well. So check out this great spot here for entertaining. Big areas, fit a lot of people out here. Barbecue, any kind of cookouts you want to do right here, and just check out the view of the lake right there. And when I say no steps, there are 0 steps down to the water. There's your little path there, and very gentle sloping. The dock is going to be right there, as you can see, as we have it pointed out. And the water's down, so as we're doing this video, the water's down about 8 feet. So just keep that in mind. So that dock will be actually sitting up a little bit higher, so that ramp going to it will be more level. But that is your Duncan Bridge condos over the next two where we are. And we are protected. You are shaded a little bit from that. So if you don't want to see the condos, you don't have to, obviously, but they are right there. So just a great view from this home right here. And look, this part right here, it does have an area that is not covered. It has a huge dining area, entertainment area. And that is composite right there. It's composite decking going down. The railing here is vinyl. So if you want to know what kind of railing that is vinyl. And under the covered part of the deck right here that is wood. But just a great setup out here. And just great views. Okay, so we're gonna go back in and we're gonna go down to the basement area because it does have a basement. So let's go take a look at the basement. So we've just come out from the main level deck. We're gonna go back around to the basement area. So we're gonna go through here. And our stairs going down to the basement are gonna be right here. So let's check this out. There we go. So the downstairs area is a great setup. So it does have really a full kitchen that is down here. And this, so check that out. Just a great little setup there. Tile floors here. We do have a drop ceiling, but they got a living room set up right here in this area. And look, windows galore. As we mentioned on the upstairs part, you just got windows on all sides of the lake. You can pretty much see the lake from almost every view, almost every room of the house. And we're gonna go around here to bedroom or two that's here in the basement. So let's go right here. Right over here is going to be a bedroom. So they've got set up as well. This is gonna be under the stairs storage to my left. And along with their hot water heater right there. All right, and coming back around on the other side of where the stairs are, we're going to find out that there's another bedroom over here, which would be the fourth bedroom. And we've got a full bath to our left. So that's just a walk-in shower enclosure, fiberglass with your single vanity. And then behind me right here is going to be a full bedroom as well. So, and that is a full-size bed on the left and a twin on the right. And the closet. So that makes a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Again, 1 bedroom on the main level, 1 bedroom up, plus a bonus area, 2 bedrooms down, and a bath down, and of course there was 1 bathroom up as well. So as we go out here on the basement level patio or covered deck, this right here is all covered. So remember this spot here, you see the wood right here, this is all covered above this, so excuse me. So there's no rainwater coming directly on because the upstairs is covered. So very nice setup. And we're going to walk down right here. So they've got their little patio right here. And this part right here would be open to rain or whatever, because it is open above. So it's a nice little setup right there. And we will take this gentle, easy stroll down here to the water. Now, this does face to the east, and the east is actually going to be in that direction right there. So it will, you will not have a you will not have a sunset view, you will have a sunrise view. Let me tell you, off this water right here, this has some of the prettiest sunrise views that you'll ever see on the lake anywhere. Right here, just a great views in the morning. So you're drinking your coffee in the mornings, you're going to want to be on that deck. You're going to want to be out here sitting on this little deck area here close to the water. But they got the little fire pit set up. Look, before we go down there, I'm gonna turn back and let's look at the house right there. So there's the home right there. Just easy stroll right there to the water. So let's turn back right here. There are the Duncan Bridge condos, as we mentioned. Here's the deck right here. Excuse me, the boat dock. So the walkway here, this is a composite steps. The composite flooring right here on the walkway. This is a steel, looks like a steel boat dock. So it'll be very heavy. And we do have a 2-slip boat dock here with the swim platform that's on the back side. So it's just an easy walk to and from here. And deep year-round water right here. Now this part right here is actually wood flooring. Now the ramp coming down here is composite, and this swim platform is composite. It's a great place for the kids to swim or anybody to swim right here. Again, you got great water. You're not swimming out on the main channel. Not there, so just a great lake home. And there are those slips over there for Duncan Bridge condos. Okay, so again, just a refresher, this is 187 County Road 3989 here on the Jasper side of Smith Lake. This is on the main channel of the lake. It has over 400 feet of water frontage. The current list price is $1,250,000. And just a great home, a great location. You're 5 minutes from a nice sized grocery store and about 10 minutes from shopping if you want to go shopping in Jasper. And you're just an hour away from Birmingham. Just easy to get to. And it again is right off the main, the Curry Highway that goes to a good portion of the lake. So again, my name is Jacob Sanders with ERA Buyers Realty here on Smith Lake. If I can help you with any questions you have about this home, this outstanding home right here, or anything on Smith Lake, I'd love to be able to help you and work for you. So if you would just call me or text me at 205-369-2803. You can always also visit my website, jacobsandershomes.com, and it will have the full list of homes that are for sale here on Smith Lake. Look, before we go, if you don't mind, if you would hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to keep bringing you Smith Lake home tours every week. Have a great day. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.